What is up, friends? I am Amira and this is my channel Dumpster Diving DIY, where every week we turn trash into treasure. That's right. Lately I've been on Pinterest and I've been seeing all these really cute Pinterest inspo pictures of driftwood home decor, whether it's like mason jar hangers or plants or whatever. I was like, you know what, that would be a really easy and cute DIY project for me to recreate, considering I live 2 blocks from the beach. So lo and behold, what I have for you guys today is 3 different ways to make your own DIY driftwood jewelry organizers. So if you guys are ready, let's do it. I have my pieces of driftwood that I found at the beach. A cool piece. Either hooks or nails, but I just grabbed some hooks. And then I have twine and tacky glue. So then today, it's gonna be the same thing. I have these 2 pieces of driftwood left. This one's kind of cool. I went back to the store and I got some smaller hooks that I think are gonna look really good and like some nails.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on
So getting these hooks somewhat even is definitely hands down been the hardest part and most time consuming. I even tried to like use a ruler and like space them out correctly, but it's just hard when you're with an uneven piece of material and you know there's already like natural holes in this wood, so it's like each hook wants to go a certain way. So I think I got it good enough. I'm gonna give this little piece of wood a bath to see if I can. Well, the glue's still drying, but we need to wash it off so that we can get some of this ink off. And I'm gonna do a quick knot on top.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on
So either this driftwood is insanely hard, like steel in the center of it, or I'm just weak. And it might just be the second of those two.
Come and fly away with me. 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 Come and fly away with me.
Do you like it with the backings or without? I'm kind of liking it without. Do you guys think it looks weird if I just leave the nails on that half and not on the other half? Or does it look fine? Give me a thumbs up if you think it looks totally fine. I'm actually really happy with the way that these turned out because in like all my projects I just wing it, but these two are probably my favorite ones, especially this one because I think it's just the most simple one. It was very easy, guys. Anyone could do this. I think a 5-year-old could. It took me maybe 10 minutes on each one, and everything together was probably $6. You know, $2 for the twine, maybe $5 for the hooks. I mean, I already had the glue and the scissors. See, breezy, lemon, squeezy. Yeah. So if you liked this project, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Press the little subscribe button to help out a young YouTuber. If you guys want more lifestyle and wellness tips, go check out my other channel, Looking Through Amira, or go to the hub of it all, which is LookingThruAmira.com. We'll post the link to my Etsy store where I sell these in the link in bio. And I think that's it. Well, that is all I have for you guys today. But like I always say, love hard, be a light, and always have a little faith in your future. See you guys next week.